So social workers work in nursing homes, in hospitals, in prisons, in community health centers, in mental health centers, in psychiatric hospitals. Social workers work in a lot of different organizations and agencies. People that want to make a difference and are creative problem solvers are people that are really good at social work.
The field of social work relies on you being a compassionate person, and that's all I really wanted to do in the future. So I'm happy that I found a field that really focuses on bringing out the positive aspects of people and providing them hope for themselves and for the future, and focusing on the best person that they can be.
Social work at Bluffton allows you to do a lot of really creative things. Every student does a field placement. They do 448 hours of work in the community, and those placements can be done in Chicago, they can be done in Washington, D.C. as part of our curriculum here at Bluffton. And we try to tailor their field placement experiences to them.
I spent a semester in Guatemala, and during that time I was able to spend a month volunteering in a community organization that works with women, youth, and children, and that was really incredible to be able to connect what I was learning here at Bluffton into a context that was even outside of the country.
It's a small department, so we get to know you. We come to your events, if you're in choir, or if you're in band, if you're on a sports team, if you're involved in chapel, we get to know you and we come to those events and we're supportive of you. So we think of you as more than just a student, we think of you as part of our community. We try to connect with you so that we know who you are, because we think that we're training people who are going to be our colleagues.